is how to create Wix website and earn money. Wix blog for many writers. Creating a blog is a matter of passion. The opportunity to share interest, knowledge, and ideas with people from all over the world is a beautiful way to build connections across communities. In addition, a blog helps improve website SEO and substantially strengthens the online presence of personal brands, business, and other organizations. But as many of us have learned, patience alone does not pay the rent. On top of that, the responsibility involved in operating a great blog are highly time consuming. Writing, writing posts frequently, creating promotional campaigns, sending emails to subscribers, engaging with readers, and more. That is a serious com- commitment that sometimes results in little payoff. The good news is that it does not have to be this way. There are multiple aven- avenues for bloggers to earn money from their work. In this article, we will discuss what it takes to build a strong blog that grabs the attention of your audience and puts you on the path to, to success. Then we'll dive into how to monetize a blog from writing sponsored and affiliate content to selling merchandise and digital goods. The fundamentals of blogging. Before you learn how to monetize a blog, you will need to grow your audience by building a foundation of powerful content. This requires fulfilling the five key principles of blogging. Now, your niche. As you set to start a blog, you will need to define its focus and a clear target audience. Rather than writing about anything that comes to mind, you will need to create a specific type of blog with a strong centralized focus. Use your blog to build your expertise in a particular area and to fulfill the specific needs of your readers. Deliver quality content while the quantity of your blog posts is important, the quality is even more so. Aim to publish post consistently, but don't let that limit your ability to create through well researched content. After all, your goal is for readers to enjoy your articles and come back for more. But don't let the limit your ability to create through well researched content. After all, your goal is for readers to enjoy your articles and come back for more. Okay, guys, goodbye.